You want to become fluent in English, right? Not just study it, but actually sound natural when you speak. But in reality, fluency doesn't come from learning all the grammar rules, not even from learning hundreds of words. It comes from one simple trick most of the learners never use, and that's why they fail. That trick is simple. Imitation. What does it mean? You will listen how I speak and repeat after me, but not like in school. You will use your energy, intonation, and effort to finally start speaking and feeling the language. Don't just listen, repeat after me, because this lesson designed for you to speak, and that's how you will improve your fluency skills, and that's what we are all aiming for. Are you ready? Let's start. Imagine this. You are going for your favorite place to have a breakfast. You will listen and speak after me from the moment you leave your house till the moment you pay the bill. Are you ready to start? I will say first, then you repeat. Hi, I need a taxi, please. Hi, I need a taxi, please. Can you take me to the city center? Can you take me to the city center? How long will it take? How long will it take? Great, thank you. Great, thank you. It's a nice day to be outside. It's a nice day to be outside. Hi, is there a table for one? Hi, is there a table for one? Yes, this seat is perfect. Yes, this seat is perfect. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? It feels cozy and quiet this morning. It feels cozy and quiet this morning. I'd like a tea and some toast, please. I'd like a tea and some toast, please. That's it for now. Thank you. That's it for now. Thank you. It smells so good. It smells so good. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. The food was really good. The food was really good. See, you already trained your brain to think in English, not only to translate. Practice with me at least a few minutes every day, and you will see noticeable results over time. Don't stop there. Go and check out my other videos. They were designed to help you to start speaking and improve your fluency. Practice with me and you will see how much fluent and confident in English you will become. See you in the next videos.